Let's get started.
Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am throwing a big Halloween party for my friends and family, and I thought it would be so much fun to vlog. Halloween is my favorite holiday of the year, so I went all out. I went a little bit #Rodiculous, and the theme of the Halloween party this year is disco. It's Disco is Dead. I am mid-makeup, mid-getting ready. This is not the final look. I can't wait to show you what I've come up with. Some people are gonna be dressing up 70s, some people are gonna be dressing up 70s disco, and some people may be doing Halloween costumes or a combo of both, which is what I'm trying to do. My look, I'm going for, fingers crossed, a disco vampire. So stay tuned. If you enjoy watching these vlogs, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. We have been setting up for this party all yesterday, 10 hours yesterday, and all day today, so it's still a work in progress, but let me show you around of what we got going on. All right, come this way. We've got a lot of tinsel, very retro. This is my new hairstyle, you guys. What do you guys think? Do I look good with silver hair?
You would look good with silver hair.
Thank you. I really appreciate that. We set up this massive balloon garland going all the way up the staircase and up the wall. The balloons that we use, the reason it kind of looks matte and not so shiny is all of these balloons, the solid color ones, are biodegradable. They're really cool. They're a little bit more expensive, but I think they're worth it. Then over here on the entryway table, I decorated with real pumpkins and I even painted them. I painted some of them black and pink because the colors of this party are traditional, the black and orange with pops of silver and gold for disco, and then I put a little pop of pink. Here we've created a little bookshelf or a drink shelf. These are so cute. They're disco ball drink holders. So the bartender is going to pre-make a bunch of drinks and put them over here. So if the bartender has a line, you can come over here and just grab a drink so you don't have to wait. Now I'm going to show you the bar area. I call it Tinsel Town. Now this is still a work in progress, you guys, but you walk through the tinsel. So retro. Mike, here, I'll open the door for you.
Oh, thanks. Thanks for opening the door. That's so fun.
Here, come on in, come on in. Putting tinsel all the way around this room really makes it feel like, I don't know, like prom? Like disco prom? I don't know, it just feels so cozy. And then we hung a bunch of disco balloons on the ceiling. So there's just tons of disco balls surrounding you. Now the bar is gonna go back here and we'll have 2 cocktail tables. The flowers still haven't come and these balloon garlands are gonna go outside on a photo wall. Let me show you the kitchen and outside because then I've gotta go finish getting ready. I think we're gonna do a red lip mic and I need your help to do vampire fangs. Before I try to create these vampire fangs, let me take you to the kitchen and outside. We're doing something outside that we've never done before and I'm super excited. In the kitchen we decorated with tinsel again around the entire island. The ceiling has this really cool block design, so we just hung the tinsel all the way around. The desserts have arrived. The food's not here yet. That's still gonna be set up, a big grazing table down the other side. But look at all these cute desserts. We've got cupcakes and cookies and cake pops and macarons and these cute little candies. I love these. We have sour pumpkins.
My favorite.
Mike's favorite, he likes the sour candy. And then we have little chocolate pumpkins. And last but not least, black licorice. Now my mom and I love black licorice, but it's one of those candies, you either love it or hate it. It's very polarizing. So let me know in the comments down below, do you like black licorice? Drop me a black heart, or do you not? That's okay. Over here, we're gonna put all of the food, like a really big grazing table for all of our friends and family here. So this is still getting set up. Now in the living room, I kept it pretty simple because when we host these parties, a lot of people like to hang out here. If you need a break and you wanna get cozy and chill, so I just put some sparkle pillows out, some black pillows. We've got some traditional trick-or-treat candies here and some bowls and some more little cute pumpkins and disco balls, and I even got some cute fun props for the photo wall. Like, check these out.
Let's see how cool you
They
look.
kind of look like you have earrings on, you know? How's that?
Why does it look great on you though?
They're fabulous. These are amazing. Now the flowers have not arrived and we are not done outside. There's a lot of work still to be done, but let me show you what we're working on. So this will be a full outdoor-indoor party space. Here I left open because we stand here, boop, and there's gonna be the photo wall in front of us. The photo wall is not done, so don't judge it yet. It's gonna have balloons and cute little signs and things. And then here is gonna be the dance floor and DJ. This is so cool. It's a 40-foot tent. And Mike, look up. There's disco balls everywhere.
Wow, those are pretty good dance moves.
All right, you guys, we're gonna keep setting up. We have a lot of work still to do, and I'm gonna head upstairs and attempt to make vampire fangs. Wish me luck, let's go.
Rosanna, what are you doing? You didn't even make it upstairs.
Okay, I'm almost there. I just forgot I gotta put this red carpet by the front door before I forget. Cause you know, Mike, I'm gonna get going and then I'm gonna forget about it.
You don't want to help with that?
No, I got it. Oh, no, I got it. I almost got it.
Wait, bro, what is behind you? Is that another red card? That was not there before. What is that?
Oh yeah, so I ordered this. I didn't know if it would come in time. So this is the red carpet for the entrance. And I'm gonna roll it out. I'll show you. Okay, this bad boy.
What are you doing?
Okay, I got 30 feet here. So it's perfect.
You did not measure our front yard.
Oh, yeah, I did. Oh, I did. Okay, watch this. Dang it. I should have gave it a little bit more gusto because I feel like you really didn't get to see how cool it is. Ah. And then
wow.
I got these.
What are these?
I never knew the name of these until I looked on Amazon, but luckily these arrived today. That's why you've never seen them, Mike.
I was out here 15 minutes ago and these weren't here. Did these just get here?
I gotta set these up to kind of create this fun little, you know, like a club. How cute is this?
I cannot believe you made an entire red carpet.
And we're not even done. We're gonna have uplights on the front and disco balls in the front as well. I finally made it upstairs. I was too sweaty, so I had to change it to a t-shirt. Into the glam room. Mike's mom's getting some glam done. She's getting her looks over here. And then Molly's up next, and Winnie's in town from Seattle. Yeah, and all the dogs are here. This is the party space. So I'm gonna attempt to make these fit my teeth. Now, Mike, I did this 15 years ago.
I literally looked up the video how to do it. The video is 15 years old.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, it's probably the video I watched 15 years ago, so I don't know what I'm doing. So you guys ready to help me?
I'll try. We'll figure it out.
Let's try to make some vampire teeth.
We got it.
We're doing it.
Okay, it's opening. It's opening.
Yeah, Molly, use those mom skills. Just one packet?
So just
just one. And then you take the little dropper and you put 5 drops only.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Perfect. And then you mix it up. It should have a little stick that came
I
with.
have it.
Mix it with the fat end. So now you scoop it out of there, place it onto the tooth.
How full?
I don't know. She just did a big glob.
Oh gosh, here goes nothing, guys. I feel like my canine is too small. Should I put on the other one? And how long did I hold it?
5 minutes.
It's too. I think
It
it's.
says to hold it for 5 minutes.
Oh no!
Rosanna Pansino.
Did they scare you?
I'm pretty spooked.
All right, so here's the secret, guys. I figured it out. One, I did have to move it a little closer than keeping them on my canines because my tooth just naturally does not fit that shape. But Mike, here's the trick.
What's the
You
secret?
mix together the powder and the drops for quite some time until the substance becomes kind of like wax-like, more firm. Then you pack it into the tooth and put it on. Because the first one did not work. It was too liquidy still and I held it on for 5 minutes and it just fell right off. Ready?
World's cutest vampire?
And now we just need to do some red lips with a little bit of blood. And I kind of have a lisp now because of these teeth. But they're not moving. Mike, I think I did it. Molly's in the glam chair. Then Mama Mia's next. Kristen is just doing everything over here. She's doing the most.
She's working.
I am too. Yeah.
She still has to do her makeup too.
Yeah, I do. I will not be attending the party looking like this.
Kristen is the entire glam squad for today. She's getting all the ladies ready. So Kristen brushed out my curls so we get a little floofier.
A little.
And this is basically me in middle school, but we're taking it back to what I used to do. All right, I am all ready for the party. My costume is a disco vampire. We got the fangs in, we've got a little drop of blood, which I've already smudged because I'm a messy vampire, and we brushed out my curly hair, so there's a bunch of hair for the 70s, and this is the look. It's starting to get darker outside. We have some finishing touches that we have to put together, but I'm so excited. The flowers just came in. They're beautiful. Check these out. We've got pinks and oranges, little pop of black and gold, and look at these little disco balls. Do, 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 do. Here's the photo walls balloons being put in with a custom little message. Disco is dead. But is it? Ooh. Well, it is today because it's a Halloween party. It is time to party. Welcome to the disco bar. We're all set up. We got cute little custom drinks and cocktails over here. Here's the menu. We have a spicy cucumber margarita, bloody bubbles, and dragon dairy. These are the 3 custom drinks, but obviously people can order whatever you like. Look at these, my little drink stirs, but they're disco balls.
I love that also this spins.
Yes. Oh, this is because we keep the doors open and there's a lot of like flies. When you get these spinner like dishes, it keeps them away. So this is a really cool trick if you're in an area that has your outside or outdoor parties.
Was I not supposed to invite the flies?
No, no flies. No inviting flies.
Okay, well.
Now, as you know, I'm a vampire and I just bit somebody, so I'm gonna flip this around and you're gonna take a look at Mike. And one cool outfit there, Mike. His disco costume, it's a full disco suit.
Am I sparkling in the light?
And then Mike, what's that on your neck
I don't know.
over there?
Some girl I met at the bar bit me already.
Uh-oh, Mike's got some bite marks. I wonder who done it.
So far I'm still feeling fine though. No sudden changes
no
or
side
anything.
effects?
Yeah, not
I'm
yet.
sure you'll be fine, don't worry about it. So the party's all set up. Let me show you around really quick before people start walking in the door and the chaos begins. Over here we've got disco drink wall, and then Halloween balloons galore, and then follow me to the living room. The food and the flowers are here. Everything is looking very groovy. Come over here, look at this. It's a whole grazing table of nom 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 nom. All right, now without further ado, let's get this party started.
Let's get started.
That does it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. All right, thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye.